Dear students, today we will discuss the new chapter, means the last chapter of the book, that is the path of modernization. Means in this chapter we will discuss about the modernization of China and also the modernization of Japan. Can you all of you see here? You can see here this is the map of Japan and it also occupied the small place and also it is an island and it is China. It is the largest populated city of the world. Okay. So see, you can see here about the map of China. Its capital is Beijing and also the most important vibrant cities Shanghai, Wuhan and another three worlds. Okay, then the Japan. It is the map of Japan. Okay, map work is most important. You have to identify it in the world map during the exam. That's why you have to see clearly about the diagram of the map. Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu. That is the four important islands of Japan and also the capital is Tokyo. Okay, now you can see this is the Japan. Here this side is Japan and this side is China, and between these two countries that area is known as the Pacific Ocean. It is the Pacific Ocean divided between the China and Japan. This is the Sea of Japan. Okay, इसको Sea of Japan बोला जाता है. Now China and Japan. We will start the chapter. China and Japan have many physical differences. ये दोनों कंट्री के भीतर में बहुत सारा physical differences है. China is a vast country that spans many climatic zones. यहाँ पे बहुत सारा climatic zones देखने के लिए मिलता है. There are three river system in China. That is the Yellow River. That is Huanghe. Means it is also called the Sorrow of China. Then the Yangtze. That is the Changjiang, otherwise called. Then third number river is Pearl River. Okay. Then the large part of the country is mountains. इसका बहुत एरिया माउंटेन में भी भरा हुआ है. मतलब तीन तो इम्पोर्टेंट रिवर के साथ साथ मेजर एरिया इज कवर्ड बाय द माउंटेन्स. ओके, देन द थ्री रिवर सिस्टम, येलो रिवर, यांगसी रिवर, पर्ल रिवर. दिस इज द थ्री इम्पोर्टेंट रिवर इन दिस मैप ऑफ चाइना. नाउ विल सी वन बाय वन रिवर. हियर यांगसी रिवर, see how it is look like. You can see here that is the Yangtze river. यहाँ पे can you imagine how the climatic situation and the atmosphere is looking like and the magnificent and the excellent scenery of this area. Okay, that is the Yangtze river and here is Yellow river looking like a road, national highway ऐसा दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. This is Yellow river and also this is the another part of the river, Yellow river, and it is also okay. Next one is the Pearl river. See how it is look like. Means ये भी देखने के लिए इतना ही चमत्कार है. So like this the three important river is in China. Then China, the dominant ethnic group are Han. इसका जो ethnic group जो है इसको Han बोला जाता है. Major language is Chinese. There are other nationalities और भी चार nationalities है, that is the Uyghur, Hui, Manchu and Tibetan. This is the four important other nationalities and major language is Chinese. Then China, other languages spoken in China. China में बहुत सारा language भी बोला जाता है, that is the Cantonese and also the Shanghaiese. These are minority languages. Okay, बहुत सारा minority language भी है वहाँ पे. Then food. Chinese food reflects regional diversity. बहुत सारा रीजनल डाइवर्सिटी आइडेंटिफाई होता है चाइनीज फूड को लेकर के. देन देयर आर फोर डिस्टिंक्ट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड. यहाँ पे और भी बहुत सारा फूड है. द वेस्ट नोन इज साउदर्न कैंटोनीज कजन एंड दैट इज द अपम, कुरुम एंड डिमसुम. देन इन द नॉर्थ व्हीट इज द स्टेपल फूड. वहां पे भी राइस एंड व्हीट इज द स्टेपल फूड एंड नॉर्थ साइड में ज्यादा व्हीट प्रिफर करते हैं लोग. Then the Sichuan area spices brought by Buddhist monks in the ancient period along the Silk Route and the chilies by Portuguese traders have created a fire cuisine. In eastern China, both rice and wheat are eaten. Okay, means the about the Buddhist monk means religion is also many means many people of the China they are adopted the Buddhism. And in eastern China both rice and the wheat are eaten. ओके, दैट इज द अबाउट द चाइना. चाइना का फूड, चाइना का लैंग्वेज एंड आल्सो द मेजर लैंग्वेजेस, रिलीजन एंड आल्सो द nationalities. Now Japan. Japan is a string of islands. Then the four largest island is Honshu, Kyushu, Shikoku, Hokkaido. Then the Okinawan chain is the southernmost, and about the same altitude is the Bahamas. Okay, also group of the islands Bahamas is. See, here is the map. Then Japan, more than 50% of the land area each of the main islands is mountainous area. यहाँ पे 50% लैंड एरिया जो है कि आइलैंड ही है एंड माउंटेनियस एरिया भी है. जापान इज सिचुएटेड इज इन ए वेरी एक्टिव अर्थक्वेक जोन. ये एक तो अर्थक्वेक जोन माना जाता है जापान में, बहुत अर्थक्वेक होता है वहां पे. द ज्योग्राफिकल फीचर्स इन्फ्लुएंस्ड आर्किटेक्चर. इसका ज्योग्राफिकल फीचर्स ही आर्किटेक्चर को ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. Then the population is largely Japanese. There are small Ainu minorities, language and also the religion. There are Koreans who were forcibly brought from Korean when Korea was a Japanese colony. जब कोरिया जापान का एक कॉलोनी था उस समय में उन लोगों को कन्वर्ट भी किया गया था. Then Japan lack the tradition of animal rearing. Rice is staple crop. Fish is major source of protein. क्योंकि ना it is an island, that's why fish is most preferable item. Dish also, raw fish has become a widely popular dish around the world and as it is considered very healthy. Raw fish को भी बहुत popular dish बोल के माना जाता है जो कि बहुत healthy भी है. Then political system. An emperor from Kyoto had ruled Japan. जो मतलब क्योटो का एम्परर जो है जापान को रूल करते थे उस समय में. 12th century में the imperial court lost power to shoguns and they ruled in the name of the emperor. From 1603 to 1867, members of the Tokugawa family held the position of shogun. Okay, that is the political system. Already you can see the book also. The three important points is given here about there. That is the samurais, shogun and daimyos. Okay, you can write clearly in your copies. See, that is the emperor, pehle shogun, then daimyos, then samurai, farmers, artisans and peasants. Okay, then Tokugawa shogun, military leader of Japan during the Middle Ages, used to be a temporary title but now became a permanent title. Emperor power declines, figurehead. Okay, then about the Japan and also the shoguns we will discuss in the next video. So students, that much only for today. You have to watch the video 2 times and also remember. And one of the most important point is from my side is that you have to watch the map of China and Japan along with the world map. Okay, so world map में वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ information भी मिल जाएगा. So that much only for today students. Thank you all of you.